Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the 5 best first-person shooter mice you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on performance, features, and price. I've included options for every type of user, so whether you're looking for a budget first-person shooter mouse or a premium wireless mouse with ultra-responsive 1 millisecond latency, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. List is the Razer DeathAdder V2. This is our best value first-person shooter mouse. If you're eyeballing the top-of-the-line Razer mice like Viper Ultimate coming up later in this video for its amazing 20K sensor for speed and accuracy for first-person shooter games, but the premium price leaves you feeling a little Harry Pottered, then the Razer DeathAdder V2 may be the perfect mouse for you. It features the same Focus Plus 20K sensor for way less, and comes from the legendary line of DeathAdder mice that's sold over 10 million mice around the world. Currently priced at $70, the Razer DeathAdder V2 improves on the Elite model with the new optical sensor, more durable mouse buttons, smoother scroll wheel, and went from 7 buttons to 8, as well as being significantly lighter. You'll notice that the low profile still feels incredibly comfortable with its ergonomic design, and regardless of your grip, it's nicely sized to fit a variety of different hand sizes. There's also a nice addition of 2 buttons right below the scroll wheel. One is dedicated to easily switch DPI settings on the fly, so you can jump from a lower setting for accuracy in sniper mode to a higher setting for more fast-paced movements. Plus, you'll get 8 well-positioned, customizable buttons on the mouse that give you quick access, making it perfect for shooters. If you're particular about the feel of your mouse, stick around for the SteelSeries Rival 600 with a customizable weight system coming up next. The key features are Focus Plus sensor, 20K sensor with 99.6% resolution accuracy, tracks 650 inches per second. Synapse software, comprehensive app for customizing the mouse. The pros are programmable buttons. You get 8 customizable buttons. DPI settings. You can switch on the fly with a single button click. Price. Incredible price for the performance. And for the cons, buttons are on the flimsy side. You want to be fast and you want to be accurate. If you're looking for a great gaming mouse that has one of the best optical sensors like the Razer Viper Ultimate, but without the premium price, then the Razer DeathAdder V2 is a great choice for first-person shooters. It has the same sensor, similar performances, but without the extra bells and whistles for way less. List is the TGG RCH11 Delux. This is our best budget first-person shooter mouse. If you're a fan of Call of Duty or other shooters and you're looking for one of the cheapest mice around that still gives you excellent first-person shooter advantages, then the TGG RCH11 Delux is one of your best options. Currently priced at $30, the TGG looks and plays similar to the popular Razer Mamba, but is way cheaper and comes with plenty of customization, RGB lights, and a professional game sensor, plus some features even the Mamba doesn't offer. You'll find it's a great first-person shooter mouse at a fraction of the cost of other name-branded mice, but you'll find it doesn't play or feel like a cheap gaming mouse. For death matches, you'll love the speed and accuracy, plus there's even a dedicated fire button for faster triggers. You also get 7 fully remappable buttons, plus you'll be able to switch the DPI with a single button press on the fly for those deadly accurate headshots. Under the hood, there's a professional game sensor, and the Omron switch is rated for 10 million clicks. The scroll wheel is smooth, not mushy to click, and has a satisfying ratchet as the wheel turns. The Ergo mouse will feel really comfortable in your hand for those marathon gaming sessions. You'll find it's great for all grip preferences, giving you a firm and smoother grip from the matte ABS fabric design. So even when things get a little intense, Its non-slip rubber sides with a double injection finish will keep your hands and fingers firmly in place. If you like RGB lighting, the TGG has 4 different light modes that you can customize with 16.8 million color options with TGG's app. The key features are fire button, dedicated fire button for faster triggers. Sensor uses a professional A3050 game sensor with an optical engine for greater accuracy and performs up to 4000 dpi with a polling rate up to 1000 Hz. The pros are DPI switch, on-the-fly DPI switching with a single button press, customizable buttons, 7 remappable buttons, switches, has Omron switches that are rated for 10 million clicks, RGB lighting, 16.8 million color options with 4 different light modes. And for the cons, compatibility. Software doesn't work on Mac OS. If you're looking for a great first-person shooter mouse at an extremely affordable price, the TGG RCH11 Delux plays and looks similar to the Razer Mamba but is much cheaper, making it the perfect budget first-person shooter mouse for you. Is the Razer Viper Ultimate. This is our best ambidextrous first-person shooter mouse. If you're a lefty and you find it difficult to find a gaming mouse that works for you, then the Razer Viper Ultimate is perfect for you. Currently priced at $130, the wireless Viper Ultimate provides a fantastic ambidextrous design that gives left-handed gamers all the tools they need to stay competitive while also staying lightweight and responsive. But of course, it works just as great for righties too. You'll find the symmetrical design gives you incredible flexibility with functional side buttons on both sides of the mouse for a seamless hand switch that doesn't sacrifice any functionality. You'll also really like how lightweight and comfortable the mouse is, especially during intensive first-person shooter gaming. You'll love the incredible responsiveness and extremely low latency with Razer Hyperspeed wireless technology that features interference reduction for wired-level performance. The Razer Focus Plus optical sensor provides up to 20K DPI and 650 IPS tracking speed, with a resolution accuracy of an incredible 99.6%, and each of the 8 programmable buttons features Razer's optical switches for incredible light speed actuation without any unintended clicks. And with Razer Chroma working with both your mouse and the dock, you'll love customizing the look of the high-quality RGB lighting on both accessories to match your gaming setup and make it your own. If you're looking for even faster responsiveness, stay tuned for the Logitech G502 Lightspeed with 1 millisecond latency. The key features are buttons, 8 fully remappable buttons across the mouse with Razer optical switches. Sensor, Razer optical sensor with up to 20K DPI. Charging dock, comes with a great looking charging dock. The pros are ambidextrous, symmetrical design featuring identical side buttons on each side for ambidextrous use. Lightweight, incredibly light at only 2.6 ounces. Wireless charging, 70-hour battery utilizes a wireless charging mouse to make recharging simple, plus comes with a great charging dock. Hyperspeed, Razer Hyperspeed wireless technology provides wired level latency and interference reduction. Optical switches, incredibly responsive optical switches for amazing actuation speeds. And for the cons, size. If you have large hands, you may find the mouse too small to palm grip. If you're a left-handed gamer who wants to stay competitive in first-person shooter games without compromise, then the Razer Viper Ultimate is a fantastic option for you, with a lightweight, ambidextrous design that lets you use your dominant hand with full functionality and incredible Razer optical technology for increased responsiveness. List is the Logitech G502 Lightspeed. This is our best overall first-person shooter mouse. If you're looking for a fast gaming mouse to really buff up your first-person shooter games, then the Logitech G502 Lightspeed is one of the best first-person shooter gaming mice around, letting you go full send at light speed. Currently priced at $150, the Logitech G502 Lightspeed lets you game faster and more accurately with an ultra-responsive 1 millisecond light speed wireless Hero 16K sensor that delivers cranked speeds and accuracy with zero smoothing. You'll love the amazing customization options with the 11-button design. If that's not enough, there's an Alt key called G-Shift which lets you create a second set of inputs. With Logitech's spring tensioning to ensure they snap back fast and ready for another click, you'll find switches on all of the buttons are responsive and durable. It's also incredibly efficient, which is part of the reason Logitech was able to squeeze 2 days of battery life out of the G502. Overall, you'll find the G502 feels very light in your hands and really ergonomic. You get 6 weights, and depending on your preference, you can change the Lightspeed's overall weight and feel with up to 16 grams of ballast. What takes the Lightspeed to the next level is the Hero sensor. It's accurate with a wide array of sensitivities all the way up to 16,000 dpi. There's no acceleration and it doesn't stutter. And there's no lag. You'll be OG in no time. The key features are Lightspeed Wireless. Provides ultimate wireless speed and reliability. The Hero 16K gaming sensor capable of providing a tracking speed of more than 400 IPS across the whole 16,000 dpi range. LightSync lighting. The full spectrum LightSync RGB is an entirely customizable feature. The pros are sensor. Excellent Hero sensor, fast and deadly accurate. Battery. Up to 60 hours of battery and with full PowerPlay compatibility. PowerPlay, compatible with the PowerPlay charging mat. Customization, lots of options for customization through G-Hub. Wired or wireless, usable wired or wirelessly via USB or PowerPlay. And for the cons, misclicks. Busy left side can lead to misclicks. If you've got a need for speed and you want to buff up your first-person shooter games, then the Logitech G502 Lightspeed is one of the fastest gaming mice around with incredible precision for those headshots, letting you go full send at light speed. Is the SteelSeries Rival 600. This is our best value first-person shooter mouse. If you're looking for a heavyweight when it comes to first-person shooter gaming mice, then the SteelSeries Rival 600 is a great option for you. Currently priced at $75, like the Razer DeathAdder, the Rival 600 is another iconic gaming mouse with all the performance, RGB lighting, unique dual sensor system, and even an extensive weight system for a big bang for your dollar, since these features are usually associated with higher-end gaming mice. You'll love how the Rival 600 is primed for performance with the TrueMove 3+ sensor, plus you also get a secondary sensor to stop your cursor from drifting when you lift the mouse off your mouse pad, so no more staring at the ground or sky every time you lift your mouse. You won't miss a beat. You'll find the size is somewhere between the Rival 310 and the Rival 500, striking the perfect balance for most gamers, although those with smaller hands still might find it a bit big. Otherwise, you'll like that when you grip the 600, there's soft rubber on the side for a comfortable and firm grip for extended deathmatch marathons. If you're particular about your mice, you'll appreciate that the sides are removable so you can customize the weight system. If you like gaming with it heavy, you can customize the weight from 96 grams all the way up to 128 grams to give you that really steady headshot. The key features are buttons, 7 programmable buttons, prism lighting, true RGB spectrum lighting with 8 lighting zones, durability, 60 million click mechanical switches. The pros are customizable weight. Tune your center of gravity with 256 different weight combinations. Amazing accuracy. Dual sensor system with TrueMove 3+ sensor with a maximum sensitivity of 12,000 counts per inch, 350+ IPS speed, plus a dedicated optical depth sensor 0.5 to 2 mm liftoff distance. True 1-to-1 tracking. incredibly accurate tracking from 100 to 12,000 CPI. And for the cons, big DPI button. The new layout accommodates bigger buttons, but some may find the DPI too big. If you're looking for a feature-packed, first-person shooter mouse, the SteelSeries Rival 600 is definitely a heavyweight with excellent performance, a dual-sensor system, RGB lighting, and a customizable weight system, all at a great price, giving you a big bang for your gaming dollar. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you liked the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now. So if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.